your girl Krista Marie, and I'm back with another video. I have missed you guys so very much. It has been a minute since I've seen you guys, and I'm so happy to be back in front of you all. And what other way to come back than with this cute hair video? Get into this hair, y'all. 3C hair, that's me. Hair growing out of the scalp, that's me too. Like, get into it. Y'all see it. It's so cute. I love it. It's perfect for the summertime. I have been enjoying it, and I definitely wanted to come to you all and show you how I achieved this look. So if you want to see how I cut, styled, installed this V-part wig from no other than Amazon. Yes, Amazon. You get it from Amazon Prime. It comes the next day, and literally if you girls want to get this wig today and you want it to be at your doorstep tomorrow, go ahead and continue to watch this video, and also make sure you click the link in the description box for you guys, because you're gonna want this. Like, why would you not? Like, you're gonna want this. So you guys keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so I purchased this hair from Amazon. I do not know the name of the hair, so I will put it up on the screen for you guys somewhere. So therefore you guys can go find this wig. I will also link this wig in the description box of this video, so please look in the description box of this video to get the link to this hair. Okay, so I will go ahead and say this. The hair did come from Amazon. It came in this little tan bag here. It came with this wig cap that I'm actually going to use, and it came with these lashes. I'm not gonna use them, but that was really nice of them to send these lashes and, you know, this cap. And then it came in the handy dandy V-part wig. It's so pretty. Like, I like it. So far so good. I like it. It is kind of already like poofy because y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and warn you, this wig does come with like an very bad odor. It had a very bad smell to it, so I did wash it like 3 times and condition it 3 times last night. So therefore I can go ahead and put it on today, because I was not about to have that. So yeah, I washed it and let it air dry overnight. And I actually, y'all, so this is their V-part wig, and I actually, after I washed it, I take the wig and I hang it upside down. That's my trick. I don't know who else does that, but I feel like for the girls who like volume hair like myself, because I feel like when you have curly hair, baby girl, you need big voluminous hair. So in order to achieve those curls, I like to hang the wig upside down, so therefore I can have those big curls the next day. Okay, but yeah, so I hung this wig upside down, and now it is time to put it on, y'all. If y'all seeing this video, that means that it came out looking pretty good, you know? So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I have already, but I have already put a scarf on my edges to lay them down, because when my wig slips back, when my wig flies back, I want you to see the natural. I want you to see, like, I want it to be undetectable. Okay, like, we don't want to be checked for our wigs. So yes, undetect me, please. I do just have straight backs in my hair. I have like 12 cornrows in my hair, straight back or whatever. And I am going to do a middle part, which I think my part is a little off, but you know, it's okay. We still gonna work it out. So I'm still gonna work it out. So I'm just gonna put this on the back of my hair just to protect it or whatever. And where are my scissors? Yeah, so it does come with this little piece thing right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and snip it. So now what you have is just the V part, which is a really tiny little V. It does come with how many comes that? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, which I'm not gonna use that one. That's usually at the back. I'm not gonna use that. And then of course the 2 on the side, and then the 1 in the back. And then they have, of course, the adjustable straps that you will use to, you know, secure it. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the straps to my liking. Okay, y'all, so I have put the wig on my hair, and I am going to, as you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 braids. I'm going to open up all 4 of the clips, and then I'm going to clip them under the middle part braids. And then I'm going to take the wig on the side and put the combs in there. So like I said, when the wig blows back, baby, you know, you're gonna be unclockable. I love me some big hair. Like, I'm already in love with this already. I'm actually gonna scoot these clips just a little bit closer. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, this is how it should look once the wig is snapped on and secured in place. I have secured all of the combs and clips around the wig. So now you're gonna need your crochet needle, and then I'm going to take it through the hair. Just take a piece of the hair, close it, well, try, close it, pull it through, and then you just fold it over like that. So I'm gonna show you guys again what I just did. I'm gonna take it, take a little piece of section of hair. I saw this method, so I'm trying to show you guys at the same time. So we are looking, learning as we go. And then we're just gonna pull it through and then pull it over. It should look like that. To do this best is to like dampen the hair. So I'm gonna take this misting bottle and dampen the hair some. I think it will be easier when it's time to like pull it over. So I need to get another piece. So I'm gonna gather up a little chunk of hair. I'm going to put my crochet needle through the braid, hook it on, close it, and pull it through like that. So I'm just gonna continue doing that the whole way down until I close it up. I have made it to the other side now, and I need to crochet that. So I'm gonna I noticed that dampening the hair does help it to pull through easier. So I'm just gonna wet it like so. You get what you pay for. I believe I only paid like a total of like $60, $65. I'm not sure. I'll put all the, like I said, I'll put all the specs in the description box for you guys of this hair. But as far as like the curls and stuff like that, it's cute, it's pretty. Perfect for the summertime if you don't want to do a closure, which I sweat really bad in my hair, in my head especially. I just started working back out, so going to the gym with a closure, that ain't for me. So on the other side, you have to go from the other side. I don't know how to explain it, but you know, you're gonna put it through the opposite side of the braid on this side. Hook that chunk of hair, close the latch, pull it straight on through, like so. So you're gonna hook it on, latch, and pull it through. Okay, y'all, so I have completed it. So this is how it is looking. It's giving very much so natural. It's giving very much so, this is my hair growing out of my scalp. Out of my scalp, okay? My edges kind of switched up on me really quickly. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that. So I'm just gonna pull that back like so. I'm gonna use this Style Factor Edge Booster for my edges. Okay, so I have applied my scarf to my edges to set them into place, and now I am just going in with my mist and water bottle just to redefine my curls because it has gotten frizzy from crocheting the wig to my braids. Okay, y'all, so you will see me cutting face framing layers because I was definitely trying to go for a very natural looking fro. So here you're going to see me cutting face framing layers, and then I'm also going to make sure I cut it short because it is too hot to be having some wig hanging down my back. So I want my wig above my shoulder blades because, baby, ain't nobody got time for that. We wearing short, little fun hair, curly hair all summer long. So yes, let's get into it. So that's what you're going to see me doing. Okay, so here you see me adding the Nairobi styling foam to the hair, and also off camera I added the Cream of Nature with Argan Oil Twist and Curl Defining Cream to the curls as well, which gave the hair so much moisture and shine, and it just made the curls pop even more. Thank you guys for watching and tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making this video for you. And also make sure you be sure to check the description box because I will put all of the description details in the description box for this hair, even the products that I use on this hair to achieve this look. So check the description box for all of the goodies and the details, okay? Okay. But again, like I said, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also, be sure to turn on that post notification bell because I won't be staying long for you guys again. Like, I don't plan on doing that, like going on a hiatus from you guys. So be sure to turn on your post notification bell so therefore you can be notified every time I post a video. And as always, you guys stay safe. And until next time, bye.